Do you like reading comics?
Yes, I enjoy reading them.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like strawberries.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have a red bicycle.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like history.
Do you like painting?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I like watching basketball.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I find it relaxing.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I love the sound of rain.
Do you like reading comics?
Yes, I enjoy reading them.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like strawberries.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have a red bicycle.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like history.
Do you like painting?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I like watching basketball.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I find it relaxing.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I love the sound of rain.
What's your favorite hobby?
I like knitting.
Do you enjoy watching sports?
Yes, I watch football games.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I love chocolate.
Do you like going to the movies?
Yes, I go every weekend.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like science.
Do you enjoy writing?
Yes, I like writing stories.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I cook every day.
What's your favorite animal?
I love dogs.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I watch TV in the evenings.
What's your favorite book?
I like Harry Potter.
Do you enjoy dancing?
Yes, I like dancing at parties.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I sing in the shower.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I hike on weekends.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
Do you enjoy swimming?
Yes, I swim in the summer.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow flowers.
What's your favorite sport?
I like soccer.
Do you enjoy painting?
Yes, I paint landscapes.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like chocolate.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I go there in the summer.
What's your favorite hobby?
I like knitting.
Do you enjoy taking photos?
Yes, I love photography.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I cook every evening.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I dance at parties.
Do you enjoy camping?
Yes, I go camping in the mountains.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I do them in my free time.
What's your favorite season of TV show?
I like Friends.
Do you enjoy fishing?
Yes, I fish with my dad.
What's your favorite time of day?
I like the evening.
Do you like jogging?
Yes, I jog every morning.
What's your favorite thing to learn about?
I love learning about history.
Do you enjoy watching sports?
Yes, I watch football.
What's your favorite kind of tree?
I love oak trees.
Do you enjoy riding horses?
Yes, I ride them on weekends.
What's your favorite historical period?
I like the Renaissance era.
Do you enjoy playing musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
What's your favorite kind of tea?
I like green tea.
Do you like solving riddles?
Yes, I love challenging my brain.
What's your favorite type of shoe?
I prefer sneakers.
Do you enjoy volunteering?
Yes, I volunteer at the animal shelter.
What's your favorite season for holidays?
I love the winter holiday season.
Do you like taking long walks?
Yes, I walk in the park every evening.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Lisa.
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What time is it?
It's 5 p.m.
Where do you work?
I work at a hotel.
How do you travel to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Bella.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing soccer. Hi, Jake. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. What did you have for breakfast?
I had cereal and milk. What about you?
I had pancakes with syrup. Do you like pancakes?
Yes, I love them. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What's yours?
I like green.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. How about you?
I have a brother. Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Sam. Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Mia. Do you like to draw?
Yes, I like to draw cars. What do you like to draw?
I like to draw animals. Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, my favorite is Paw Patrol. What's your favorite cartoon?
I like Peppa Pig.
What's your favorite subject?
I like math. What about you?
I like science. It's really fun.
Yeah, science is fun too. See you tomorrow, Jake.
See you, Emily.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Tommy.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
What's your favorite color?
I love the color blue.
Do you have a favorite toy?
Yes, my favorite toy's a teddy bear.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like to eat cereal with milk for breakfast.
Where do you like to play?
I love playing in the park with my friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Jenny. We play together every day.
What's your favorite animal?
I really like elephants. They are big and friendly.
What's your favorite bedtime story?
My favorite bedtime story is Good Night Moon. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like making spaghetti.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like drawing.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Emma.
How long have you known Emma?
I've known her for 3 years.
Do you play video games?
Yes, sometimes.
What's your favorite video game?
I like Minecraft.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, dancing is fun.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.